Hello everyone. Are you confused in between the words like course, course, C-O-A-R-S-E and C-O-U-R-S-E? Do you know what is the difference between L-O-U-D allowed and A-L-L-O-W-E-D allowed? Do you have idea regarding the difference between the words like B-A-N ban and B-A-N-N-E-D band? I'm quite sure that you don't have any idea. Actually, you people are suffering a lot. If you are preparing for competitive examination, the questions are based on these kind of words. These are called homophones or homonyms. Similar sounding words, but actually meaning-wise, these words are different. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज का इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको हम ये जानकारी देने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ऐसा इंग्लिश में कई इजी वर्ड्स है बट एक्चुअली दे क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन द माइंड ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. And as you all are preparing for competitive examination, from that particular perspective, this session is going to be really, really important. I'm Nilanjan Bose, the professor of CIMAGE College, and this time I'm going to present an interesting video regarding 6 most easy but confusing words in English. And I can give you a guarantee that at the end of the session, you will be in a better position to deal with these kind of questions. So without wasting time, let's get started with today's some new words in the pair or in the group. And you will come to know at the end of the session that yes, there are some words I am feeling pretty confident to face with. Right? So without wasting time, let's get started. Let us know that what are the group of words, and I will tell you that what are the difference in the meaning. So the first pair of words, that is A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed. It's a very common word. And second one, A-L-O-U-D, allowed. Many of you are getting confused. You don't know what is the correct application. Why is it so? Because you don't have the idea, the difference in meaning. If we are talking about the word like A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed, it means that it's permitted. Means you are allowed to go outside. It means that somebody has given you the permission to go outside. Now, if I go for the next one, that is ALOUD, allowed, speak aloud. He is speaking loudly, means aloud. Aloud का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? ऊंचा आवाज में बात करना, right? So ALLOWED, allowed, and ALOUD, allowed. Both the words, the pronunciation is same, but actually meaning-wise, they're different. So you should know about it. You should have some fair idea that what is the difference between the meaning of these words. Now you have come to know that first one means permitted and second one means loud. So you are not going to do any kind of mistake regarding the application of these words. Let us move to the second pair of words. What is that? Let us know. The first one, COURSE, course, and second one, COARSE, course. Now, if we are talking about the word like COURSE, course, then which course you are pursuing? अगर कोई आपको पूछते हैं कौन कोर्स की पढ़ाई आप कर रहे हैं, तो उस समय आप क्या जवाब दोगे? आपको बताना, इट इज एक्चुअली दिस कोर्स मींस करिकुलम. इस कोर्स का मतलब होता है करिकुलम. चाहे वो बीसीए हो, चाहे बीएससी-आईटी हो, चाहे बीबीए हो या बीबीएम हो, दैट मींस करिकुलम. सो कोर्स, COURSE, it means curriculum. Now the second one, COARSE, what does it mean? There are certain coats, cloth मतलब कपड़ा, और clothes कपड़ा. तो coats clothes मतलब होता है मोटा कपड़ा. The quality of that cloth या clothing जो भी आप बोलो, उसका quality जो है वो थोड़ा मोटा टाइप का, that is thick. So first one, coats, means curriculum, and the second one, course, COARSE, mind it, the spelling, you cannot be confused with this one. COARSE, course, means thick, थोड़ा मोटा, quality wise, right? Now let us move to the next pair of words. चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं. First one, CIT is site, and second one, SIT is site. What is the difference? A teacher is teaching in the classroom, and he in the process of giving lecture or delivering lecture, he is trying to present a few examples, right? The when he is trying to mention a few examples, उस केस में आप बोलोगे he is citing an example. CIT is cite means mention, किसी चीज का उल्लेख करना, किसी चीज के बारे में बताना, उसका express करना, right? And if we think about the second word, that is SIT, site, what does it mean? अक्सर आप लोग सुने होंगे कि सिविल इंजीनियर्स लोग साइट में काम करते हैं. कोई बंदा कोई साइट में काम कर रहे हैं. What does it mean? Actually, it means that कोई पर्टिकुलर स्थल पे, कोई पर्टिकुलर जगह पे, कोई पर्टिकुलर वेन्यू पे या कोई पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में वो काम कर रहे हैं. तो सेकेंड वर्ड SIT, site means venue या place, and first one CIT, site means mention. So friends, I'm pretty sure that you are understanding each and everything, whatever has been discussed right now. दोनों वर्ड सिमिलर साउंडिंग भले ही हो, लेकिन दोनों वर्ड का मीनिंग अलग है, एंड व्हाइल यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई दीज वर्ड्स यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक। तो ये थ्री पेयर के बारे में आपको हम जानकारी दे दिए। चलिए और कुछ वर्ड के बारे में भी हम लोग जानकारी हासिल कर सके, सो दैट यू कैन एनरिच योर वोकैब एट द सेम टाइम यू शुड बी ग्रामेटिकली इम्प्रूव्ड। सो लेट अस प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स। Now, this is going to be really interesting pairing. That is forward and forward. F-O-R-E-W-O-R-D, first one, and second one, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. So what is them? What is the difference meaning wise, right? So let us talk about the first one, that is forward. अक्सर आप जानोगे, ये आप दिमाग में एकदम सेट कर लीजिए कि F-O-R-D, for, it means before. So forward means what? Introduction to a book. कोई भी बुक आप मार्केट से खरीदे हो, आप यू जस्ट रिवर्स द पेजेस, आप देखोगे इनिशियल पेज में लिखा हुआ है फॉरवर्ड। इट मीन्स अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड इंट्रोडक्शन टू अ बुक। तो फॉरवर्ड मीन्स इंट्रोडक्शन। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज फॉरवर्ड, आप लोग बोलते हैं फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट करो। इट मीन्स दैट एडवांसिंग, आगे बढ़ना, move ahead, right? It's a very easy word, but actually we are getting confused in between these two words like forward and forward. You must be pretty sure, and now onwards you are not going to do any kind of mistake. I'm pretty sure about it. So forward means introduction to a book, and forward means to advance or to move ahead. Let us talk about this next pair of words, that is LON, loan, and LONE, loan. What is the difference between these two words? LON, loan. For example, if somebody is planning to have a startup, somebody is planning to set up a business at that particular point of time, if he is concentrating in the investment, हो सकता है उनके पास उतना पैसा नहीं हो, तो उस केस में वो क्या करेंगे, बैंक से लोन लेते हैं। So what does it mean? इस लोन का मतलब होता है LOAN, it means credit. आप क्रेडिट लिए, बाद में आपको रिपे करना होगा। प्रीटी सिंपल। नेक्स्ट वन, LONE, लोन। ही इज लोन, इट मीन्स दैट ही इज एब्सोल्युटली अलोन, एकदम अकेला, उसके साथ कोई नहीं है। सो लोन pronunciation is almost same, but still they have difference in their meaning. LON, loan means credit, and LONE, loan means alone या अकेला। Now let us move to the last pair of words of today, what I am going to discuss. First one, discrete, D-I-S-C-R-E-T, discrete. Now you need to take care of this particular word. If I talk about the word like discrete, D-I-S-C-R-E-T, discrete, what does it mean? It means that separate, to get separate, एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाना. That is known as discrete. अलग होना, right? Now, if the spelling is D-I-S-C-R-E-E-T, discrete, now what does it mean? अगर double E हो जाए, वहां उसका meaning हो जाएगा careful. If I am saying that that person is discreet by nature, it means that he is very much careful. So this is the basic difference between these two words like discrete and discrete. First one single E and second one double E. Now, I'm pretty sure that everything has been understood by you clearly because I have presented all these pairing words in the form of example as well. So I'm absolutely sure that all of you must have understood all these words. Actually, what I'm doing, I'm trying to give you some idea, and you should be dead sure that yes, if these are the words, you are not going to be confused. These are easy words actually. You don't believe it. These are easiest word in fact. But the fact is that you people are getting confused. So from now onwards, you people are not going to have any kind of confusion in your mind. I'm quite sure about it. So guys, I'm pretty sure that I have tried my level best to satisfy your need. I have tried my level best to give you some idea that you people are not going to have any confusion regarding the application of all these words. That's all from my side today. Thank you so much. Keep on practicing and you will definitely do good result. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.